Top 6. Best hot glue gun. However, when it's time to choose the right hot glue gun, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best hot glue gun on the market today, so if you're interested in what hot glue gun will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best overall. Gorilla Dual Temp Mini Hot Glue Gun Kit.
Gorilla hot glue sticks are incredibly tough and versatile and provide a long-term hold on hard-to-bond surfaces. These hot glue sticks work in both high and low temperature glue guns. Use the low temperature for delicate materials and the high temperature for strong bonding. The clear adhesive features an extended working time of 45 seconds for added convenience on all types of projects. Gorilla hot glue is also weather resistant. Keep your projects safe from seasonal temperature swings. Using Gorilla hot glue sticks is easy. Just follow these instructions. Insert your glue stick into your glue gun and decide what temperature should be used. We recommend testing the product before its intended use. The working time is dependent on the amount of glue applied and the temperature of the glue gun. Then, wait for the glue and gun to heat up to the desired temperature. Once it has reached the appropriate level, apply the glue to your project. After you've finished your project, store the glue sticks in a cool, dry location. If cleanup is necessary, wait for the glue to cool, then scrape it off. Gorilla hot glue comes in both full-size and mini sticks, which differ by diameter. Each of those sizes comes in a 4-inch and an 8-inch length. The stick size you will need will be indicated on your hot glue gun. The Gorilla Dual Temp Mini Glue Gun is an ideal tool for crafts and repairs. It is lightweight, with a comfortable grip and a built-in stand, making it easy to use. The easy squeeze trigger and long insulated nozzle allow for a precise application on whatever project you're working on. The Gorilla Dual Temp full-size hot glue gun is an ideal tool for crafts and home projects requiring more glue output and volume. It's lightweight with a comfortable grip and built-in stand, making it easy to use. The easy squeeze trigger and long insulated.
Number 2. Premium Pick. SureBonder Pro 2-2 2220-watt adjustable hot glue gun.
Experience SureBonder industrial glue guns with the Pro 2 100 high temperature and low temperature glue guns. The Pro 2 100 glue guns have 100 watts of melting capacity, or 2.5 times the power of a standard retail glue gun. The Pro 2 100 high temperature and low temperature guns are designed for light industrial or commercial use without freezing up, like lower wattage retail glue guns. The high temperature gun is set to 380 degrees and is good for working with various glues on wood, plastic, and metal. The low temperature gun is set to 250 degrees
and is perfect for not melting delicate materials like foam or scorching fabrics.
Both of the Pro 2 100 glue guns come with insulated nozzles for heat protection.
The gun is also equipped with an ergonomic long trigger for an easier squeeze,
a removable wire stand to keep the gun upright, and a solid-state PTC heater for reliable and powerful heating. Each SureBonder glue gun comes with a suite of internal features like a built-in safety fuse and double insulated wire.
Number 3. Best Budget. Elmer's Craft Bond High Temp Mini Hot Glue. Elmer's Craft Bond glue gun may be small and inexpensive, but it features big safety perks. The glue gun has a heat-insulated nozzle and an emergency automatic shutoff feature, making it a good option for use around children. We were skeptical at first because of the gun's small overall size and tiny trigger, but we found the slightly curved handle to fit comfortably in the palm of the hand. Categorized as a high-temp glue gun, it has just 10 watts of power, so reaching the high melting point takes several minutes. Once it's raring to go, it should be perfectly capable of handling most crafting and home repair adhesive needs. Pros: inexpensive. Built-in side lifts allow the glue gun to rest safely on its side. Durable flip-down kickstand. Cons: may be too small for larger hands. Number 4. Best all-purpose. Chandler Tool Hot Glue Gun Kit High Temp Industrial. Those looking for a versatile and powerful glue gun for a variety of crafts and household repairs should check out the Chandler Tool Hot Glue Gun. With 60 watts of heating power, the glue gun will melt a variety of full-size glue sticks. It features a unique no-drip tip designed to reduce those annoying strings of excess glue that can get on surfaces when the gun is set down. In addition to the kickstand, there's also a built-in base that keeps the tool securely in an upright position, and we found that to be its standout feature, as models with a flip-down kickstand have a frustrating tendency to fall over. We found this full-size glue gun to be comfortable to hold, especially for those with larger hands. We also appreciated the safety feature of its well-insulated sleeve tip. However, the plastic body does feel a bit thin and not very durable. Pros: built-in stand-up base, optional kickstand, minimal drips from nozzle. Cons: plastic body feels a little thin. Number 5. Best cordless. WorkPro Cordless Hot Glue Gun.
Introducing the WorkPro Cordless Hot Glue Gun. Perfect for crafts, repairs, and other projects, users will enjoy this upgrade from any ordinary glue gun, with the elimination of the power cord and a fast 2-minute warm-up time. The innovative MCH heating system, lithium-ion battery, and intelligent power-off system ensure up to 100 minutes of working time. It dispenses glue at a rate of more than double that of other glue guns, and the nozzle is designed to prevent drips and leaks. The battery conveniently charges via USB in 2 hours or less. This set includes a starter supply of 20 mini-size premium glue sticks and a quick-charging AC adapter. WorkPro. Build a better project.
Number 6. Hot Glue Gun High Temp Cobis. This bright yellow Cobis glue gun is great for experienced DIYers, with a rapid heating element and 2 temperature settings. The low temperature offers a thinner and slower glue stream for handiwork, while the higher setting allows you to work faster and put heavy-duty objects together in a flash. The 8.9 x 8.9 inch size also makes for comfortable handling and use over several hours. It comes with a removable metal stand. Pros: engineered to sustain high pressure and temperature over long periods. UL certified fire safe. 2 temperature settings. Cons: stand isn't completely reliable. No on-off switch. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.